In this tutorial, you'll discover how to send silent messages on Instagram. It's perfect for discreet conversations when you don't want to disturb someone with loud alerts. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head over to your direct messages by tapping the paper airplane icon in the top right corner of your screen. Once you're in your DMs, select the conversation of the person you wish to message silently. Next, tap on the text input area to bring up the keyboard. Now, type in the \. You should see an option that says Silent Send Messages without a notification. Tap on this option to activate silent messaging. After that, type your message as you normally would. When you're ready, hit the send button. Your message will be delivered quietly, ensuring that it doesn't disturb the recipient with any notification sounds. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.